So we come to the final module of the course, which is of course on abundance. Abundance is not about position, it is a frequency. You can call it money frequency. Understanding this frequency is not that difficult if you are not trying to make it complex with jargon. The best way to understand frequency is understanding it as vibrational health. Yes, like you have physical health, there is vibrational health, which is in fact more fundamental. At any point in time, you are vibrating at a particular frequency. And situation and events will appear to match that frequency. That's just how it works. And that is an energetic perspective on the law of attraction. Now, if you have shifted your frequency recently and it may not reflect in the surroundings immediately, the law of attraction is always at work, and sooner than later the external surroundings have no choice but to mirror that. Now, how to understand this frequency better? What constitutes this frequency that we're talking about? The frequency is determined by your quality of feelings, thoughts, beliefs, and actions. Energetically, these all four are the same energy but different forms of manifestation. They all signify at what frequency you are vibrating. If you want to attract wealth and want to vibrate at a frequency of abundance, you need to work on feelings, thoughts, beliefs, and actions. You can remember this acronym FTBA: feelings, thoughts, beliefs, and actions. Whenever you don't feel abundant, you need to work on either of these areas. Somewhere there is a drift in the frequency, a low frequency. I've already shared several techniques to tune your feelings, thoughts, and beliefs in previous modules. Here I'll share some behavioral or external remedies to tune into the frequency of abundance. The first thing you have to do is become a value providing machine. Yes. Not because you want something in return, just because you have so much value to give. Naturally, you want to provide value to society. You'll observe the people who are living in abundance, they naturally provide value and share with others with an open heart. They don't need some ethical belief which states that you should be helping others. It is overflowing. Their cup is full, as they say. They have no choice but to share with others. Now, if you are just starting your journey, I'm not asking you to do charity in large sums. Start small. Start by helping your friend if he or she needs something, or teaching something to a toddler, or maybe feeding stray dogs. There are countless things you can do to the best of your ability, not because you are expecting something in return from them, but just because you like sharing. What happens here energetically is this frees up all your stuck energies in your frequency and puts you more in the receiving mode. You start to become a more tuned vessel to receive abundance from the universe. There are several other behavioral things you can do that will shift your frequency into abundance. For instance, whenever you are shopping or taking a service, don't take the change. Say for instance, you take a Uber ride and it costs something around 300. You can give a 500 and just say keep the change. That's how you make the payment. You don't take the change. Or say you have you are doing grocery shopping and the bill is 150. Just give the shopkeeper 200 rupees and say keep the change. Tell them some reason, today you are in a good mood or something good has happened today. Give some random reason so that you are not making the person feel bad about keeping the money. I'm telling you, this will bring magic to your life. And don't ask for rates when you go for shopping. If you're worried about the budget, you can look at the price charts online beforehand and then go to shopping. Let's say you go to the store to buy something, say a t-shirt or maybe some street food. Just ask them to pack the item. Don't go on asking for rates or negotiating. That is such a middle class behavior. Do you think that Ambani goes on asking how much for Pani Puri? He doesn't. So if you want to be Ambani, act like Ambani. Yes, on your journey to riches, you have to consciously let go of all these scarcity behaviors that you have picked up from here and there, consciously or unconsciously from people around you. If at all, if you find something that is outside your budget, for example, just tell yourself, I'm looking for something better. Okay, look at the price and say, I'm looking for something better. That's how you program your subconscious. Don't tell yourself that you cannot afford or you're poor and get into a negative spiral. Give heavy tips whenever you go to restaurants. Always be the first person to help in terms of money in your circle. That's how over time you condition your mindset for the riches. Thirdly, this is interesting, you can have certain songs on your playlist that always keeps you in the right frequency. Whenever you're in a good situation, everything is going awesome, your mood is amazing, choose and listen to only 2 to 3 songs on repeat to condition your mind to believe that you play these songs whenever things are going good for you, like an anchor. Personally, my 3 favorite songs that I listen to when I need to fix my frequency: first, Money Keeps Coming to Me. That is the name of the song. You'll find it on YouTube. Second is Lakshmi Ashtakam, particularly the one by participants of South India Female Choir, their YouTube channel. It's amazing. And the third is Ekadanta Vakratunda song. Whenever I listen to these 3 songs, I feel immensely powerful, abundant, and my frequency is on point. You can select your own songs and always have them in your arsenal. So next time if you feel a dip in frequency and things are not going straight, all right, you can listen to those songs on repeat again and again and saturate your mind so much with these songs that even though externally it may not seem that you are doing well, internally and vibrationally your frequency is shifting, and very soon, before you know it, the external world will reflect your internal world.